Hey guys, let's see how to connect a Happrun H1 projector to a Firestick TV. So it's super simple. As you can see, I have already working. If you take a look back there on the wall, I'm projecting here a Firestick TV, okay? So it's connected here. Let me just show you. So super simple. That's the Fire TV. I just need to connect this to power and then connect the other port here to the Happrun projector. Let me just disconnect so you see how it works. You see here just a blue screen right now. Then I'm gonna grab the remote control from the Happrun projector, and I can just come here to home, right? And you see here that I have this option for HDMI. So I just need to select this port, and then it's going to work with the Fire TV stick. As long as I have the Fire TV stick already working on a TV or something, or if it's the first time, you just need to set it up, connect to power, and connect to the HDMI port here. When you connect here, the Happrun projector is going to detect and offer you to use the HDMI port. If that doesn't happen, you just need to select the HDMI port back there. Let me just put it here. There we go. Just wait for it. See here the message, select HDMI. Then I just grab the remote control here and select the HDMI port, and it's working, right? And now I need to control everything from here. I mean, when I want to see something back there, I just press the button here and I can control here and have access to Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, whatever I have here on my Fire Stick. So super simple to work that way. And here you see
always fun.
The audio is working, but I need to just mute, unmute, and control the volume from here, okay? So unfortunately, there's no way to control from this Fire Stick remote because there's no way to sync the Fire Stick with this device here to control the volume. So you just need to use both remote controls, but it works either way, right? So super simple. Now I have my Fire TV working with my Happrun H1 projector, and I'm good to go. So I hope you like this one. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.